what's up guys? Welcome to our channel Think Beyond the Brain. Today we are going to understand about a very much important thing. We all know we are in this COVID-19 pandemic at home, and this COVID-19 pandemic is increasing. This COVID-19 is increasing. It is a lot more variants of it is coming, and it is now made. It has been difficult for us. So to avoid this COVID-19 to be infected from it, to increase our immunity power, we have brought health tips. Three health tips. Just three health tips, but will give you more immunity and help you to try to escape from this COVID-19 pandemic. So let's get started. But before starting, you will think that yep, now these are good, so we can follow them. But before following, you can just first ask your doctors and confirm from them that maybe start with it, maybe go with it. So if you are doing this, so today we will get start with it. And yep, also one more thing before starting, whoever has not liked our video till this, like our video, share our video, and subscribe our channel. Click at the bell notification for the future videos notification. So let's get started. Now, health tips. If everyone has to pay attention to something in COVID-19, then it is how to make your immunity strong. COVID-19. If everyone has to pay attention to something in the corona epidemic, then it is how to make the immunity strong. At the same time, COVID-19 has spread such fear among the people that everyone is engaged in strengthening their immunity. In such a situation, sometimes they fall ill after the wrong information. Now, because of this, people are scared of this COVID-19. So that's why what they are doing, they are just searching everything on YouTube, Google, and then they are getting a wrong information. So that's why we are there with the correct information. But then also, you have to confirm this with your doctors. So it is not that taking medicines for any disease is the right way. There are also some such steps through which you can strengthen your immunity even without consulting a doctor. For this, you just have to pay attention to your daily routine. In such a situation, we will tell you here what things you should keep in mind during the corona period so that your immunity does not weaken. Now, immunity is such a thing which can fight with every disease in the world. Now, immunity in our body, it's a mixture of all nutrients which helps us, which strengthen our body, which like a thing like some water balls, and some dirty water balls come. If it is small, if our water balls are strong, they will take it, they will destroy it, and this will win. This will consume good like a big ocean. If some dirt, if we will put that, some dirt cannot do anything about that big ocean. Like this only, if our immunity is big, these small diseases cannot do anything to us. So we will start with three things which can give us more immunity as much. So let's get started. The first one, not doing exercise and yoga is a big issue. Now people are thinking that because of this corona we will sit at home and these all, but it's not a right thing. This corona we have to sit at home, but it is also good for just running, jogging, exercise and yoga, because they will strengthen your body, strengthen your immunity, so that it can fight diseases. Not much time, just for like 1 hour or 2 hours, just for out wearing mask and that all, and then doing a little bit yoga exercise, nothing happens. But not for only this yoga and these all, if you go like this, it will make harm to you. Many people think that staying at home will fix everything. It's wrong. So somewhere you are thinking wrong. Running or jogging and doing exercise or yoga save you from many diseases. Also strengthens your immunity. Therefore, to strengthen immunity, you start exercising, running, yoga, and walking. This is a very much effective and important thing. So that's why many times, not only in this pandemic, not only is diseases, you have to exercise daily for getting a proper good immunity. Then comes the second one, not getting good sleep. Now, sleep is also a very much good thing for just strengthen our immunity. Now, for example, if we are not sleeping, our body is not getting rest. Whatever we are doing, the mind is just seeing about that. If we are like seeing TV, the mind is focusing over there. If you're doing some work, the mind is focusing over there. But when you sleep, the mind is not doing a lot of things. So no heart and network also, half part of the brain think like half part is working for this, half part is empty for activeness what we do. So we are sleeping, but half part what he will do at that time, he can make the immunity strong. If we will get a better sleep, first he will rest a little bit, our body parts will be rested, then the immunity, all the nutrients, water, oxygen, these all will be combined and made into immunity. A proper sleep is proper immunity. Then the reason for weakening immunity can also be due to not sleeping well. You go to any doctor, first of all, gives the same opinion that at least 8 hours of sleep must be taken. Not getting enough sleep can also be a reason of weakening immunity. Now, minimum we have to get 8 hours of sleep daily. So if we cannot sleep a lot at night, because if someone has work at morning a little bit, just like 6 and that all, if they have to wake up, and so they can sleep a little bit at the afternoon also, but minimum 8 hours of sleep is necessary. Now comes the third one, salt. Now, excess intake of salt is not good. Like everyone says that more salt is not good, but salt, not getting salt is also not good. Like salt is very important, because if there is no salt in our diet, in our food, it can happen an instant death over there. So salt is good for us, but a lot of salt is not good. So we will excess salt is not good. Why? Because salt works enhance the taste of any food, but excessive consumption of salt weakens immunity. Therefore, avoid excessive consumption of salt. But too much sodium in the diet can lead to high blood pressure, high heart disease, and stroke. It can also cause calcium losses, some of which may be pulled from bone. Most Americans consume at least 1.5 teaspoons of salt per day, or about 3,400 milligrams of sodium, which contains far more than our body needs. Now, salt is a thing which we need, but not a lot. Like some nutrients, vitamins, minerals, salt, these all we have to take in a very much small quantity. If they are taken in an excessive in a large, they will end up in more disease and one more problems. It can cause calcium losses. The salt can lose the calcium, and why calcium is important for our bones. And just 1 teaspoon, 1.52 teaspoons are also a lot for our body. So excessive intake of salt is also not good. And these were our three health tips, but these three can do a lot. Health tips: avoiding doing these mistakes in the time of COVID-19. Like if sometimes if some patient have get COVID-19, some has done COVID-19. So you will think that just make social distancing and then not get interact of him, and just uh, be prepared. Just takes all that things. Be immunity. These all are not good. Just keeping at home is also not good thing. The immunity does most of the part of fighting with diseases. So avoiding doing these mistakes in the time of COVID-19, immunity may be weak, so it is a lot more problem. Today we have learned about the health tips, and these are not just for you. These are not just for the people which have COVID. This is for all, small, big, old, who have COVID-19, who have COVID positive, who are negative, to everyone. So, today we have learned about this. Thanks for watching our video till the end, and try to share this video to many people because they will get a lot more information from it. Please like our video, please share our video, and subscribe our channel and click at the bell for get future videos notifications. Thank you and be safe, be strong.